Hey folks, this is Tiffany Falls in Hamilton, Ontario. It is a very well-known hiking spot in Hamilton, Ontario. And it's only a couple of hundred meters to the waterfall. Let me show you. Just a short hike up the Bruce Trail side trail with the blue marker. And we'll be there in no time. So it's only about a couple of 100 meters to the waterfall. Do have to climb a couple of hills here and there, but it ain't too bad. It's not hard for beginners. It's a very easy hike. It's a perfect day for an adventure too. You cross over this beautiful bridge. Just taking time for a quick selfie. There is a natural rock here that's got to be centuries old. One more bridge to cross, folks, and then it's only about another 50 meters or so to the waterfall. Just around this bend here, then you climb up another steep hill, and then as soon as I come around the corner, you're going to be able to see the waterfall in sight. All this beautiful scenery here as we're going through the forest. Just got to climb up this hill and go around this bend. And then we'll be able to see the waterfall in sight. Okay, folks, so as you can see, I've come around the bend, and now you can see the waterfall in plain sight. We had a lot of rain a couple of hours ago, so the water is flowing really good. And as you can see, it is a very popular tourist destination. People from all across the world are coming here just to see this one beautiful waterfall. And here it is, folks. I'm going to get a little closer.